Did you know that just a single drop or a tablespoon of castor oil can have a significant impact on your health? In this video, we'll dive into the amazing health benefits of castor oil, discuss its potential risks, and explore the best ways to incorporate it into your wellness routine. You might have heard claims that castor oil can induce labor, boost the immune system, or even slow wound healing. We'll address these questions and more, relying on information from scientific studies and historical records to provide accurate answers. Our goal is to uncover the secrets of castor oil and guide you on how to safely harness its benefits while avoiding potential pitfalls. Castor oil is also known as a natural remedy for arthritis. It offers a safe and effective way to ease joint pain and reduce inflammation. Did you know that its anti-inflammatory properties make castor oil an excellent massage oil for soothing sore muscles, aching joints, and nerve pain? The oil's potent anti-inflammatory effects can help alleviate the pain and swelling associated with arthritis. Additionally, clinical research has shown that castor oil can be particularly beneficial for those with osteoarthritis. In one study, participants who took castor oil capsules 3 times a day for 4 weeks experienced a significant reduction in knee pain, all without any side effects. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can be very helpful when used on the skin. When applied to painful areas, it can relieve joint pain and reduce swelling. That's why castor oil is a common ingredient in many skincare and pain relief products, making it a great addition to any arthritis treatment plan. Did you know that castor oil is also a powerful natural moisturizer? It can transform your skin from dry and dull to smooth and glowing. The best part is that castor oil is rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which makes it an excellent natural moisturizer. These fatty acids help lock in moisture and soothe dry skin. According to the National Library of Medicine, the fatty acids in castor oil can improve skin smoothness and softness. They also help promote healthy pores and skin tissue by moisturizing, hydrating, and cleansing the skin. As if that wasn't enough, the moisturizing properties of castor oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a younger and more radiant look. Another amazing benefit of castor oil is its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce acne and other skin blemishes. This makes it a great addition to your skincare routine. When used on the body, castor oil can help stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and promote the growth of healthy skin cells. So, whether you're looking to ease joint pain, moisturize dry skin, or improve your complexion, castor oil might be a fantastic natural solution to try. Castor oil is fantastic for treating dry, chapped skin. Its moisturizing properties make it an excellent solution for keeping skin soft and hydrated. Plus, its antibacterial properties can help reduce the appearance of various skin blemishes. Before we continue, if you've ever used castor oil for its health benefits, please hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Imagine an oil that not only helps keep wounds moist, but also prevents them from drying out, speeding up the healing process. That's exactly what castor oil does. Studies show that castor oil is very effective for wound care because it fights against bacteria, fungi, and some parasites, making it a natural and powerful option for treating wounds. Castor oil contains a special fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which has several beneficial properties. It helps reduce skin inflammation, supports the healing process, and eases pain for those with wounds. Because of its antimicrobial properties, castor oil helps prevent infections, making it a great addition to wound care treatments. When applied to the skin, it creates a protective barrier that lowers the risk of infection and promotes faster healing. The anti-inflammatory effects of castor oil also help reduce redness and swelling, making it a reliable natural remedy for wound care. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and has been highly valued for centuries, not just for wound care, but also for its strong laxative effects. Traditional healers and alternative medicine practitioners have used castor oil to relieve constipation and encourage regular bowel movements. Its powerful laxative properties make castor oil an effective choice for people who need help with constipation. It works by stimulating the intestines, which helps move stool through the digestive system more easily. For a long time, castor oil has been known for its ability to relieve temporary constipation, making it a trusted remedy for digestive issues. Even modern medicine supports this. Research published in the National Institutes of Health journal confirms that castor oil effectively promotes bowel movements and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. So, how does castor oil work as a laxative? The key is ricinoleic acid, the special fatty acid that sets castor oil apart from other natural remedies. Ricinoleic acid binds to specific receptors in the intestines. This action triggers muscle contractions that help push stool through the colon, providing quick relief from constipation. In addition, castor oil can be used to cleanse the colon before certain medical procedures, such as colonoscopies, making it a useful tool for digestive health. But that's not all. Castor oil is also an excellent natural choice for keeping dentures clean and fresh. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a valuable part of your oral care routine. These properties help reduce the risk of denture stomatitis, a common infection among people who wear dentures. According to the National Library of Medicine, castor oil's ability to fight bacteria and fungi makes it an effective option for maintaining oral hygiene and preventing infections related to dentures. Using castor oil for denture care ensures that your dentures remain in good condition. Its antibacterial properties help keep harmful bacteria away, while its antifungal effects prevent fungal infections. This makes castor oil a great addition to your daily oral care routine, providing both cleaning benefits and protection against infections. Castor oil is a fantastic alternative for cleaning dentures, as it works just as effectively as alkaline peroxide in removing denture biofilm. This is due to the presence of ricinoleic acid in castor oil, which has strong antimicrobial properties. These properties are excellent at eliminating bacteria and fungi that can accumulate on dentures over time. One of the great things about castor oil is that it's gentle on dentures. It helps reduce plaque buildup, thereby protecting the oral health of denture wearers. Here's an interesting fact. Soaking dentures in a 10% castor oil solution for just 20 minutes can effectively kill oral bacteria and fungi. This makes castor oil a simple yet powerful way to maintain clean dentures. By using castor oil as a natural denture cleaner, you can lower the risk of oral fungal infections such as candida and promote overall oral health. Did you know that castor oil has been used for centuries to help induce labor? Its effectiveness is well documented and supported by scientific research. According to a study published in the National Library of Medicine, about 91% of women who consumed castor oil successfully induced labor. This makes castor oil a promising natural option for expectant mothers looking to avoid medical interventions. So, how does castor oil induce labor? The oil works by stimulating the bowels, which can lead to uterine contractions and start labor. It's a natural and non-invasive method that has been trusted by midwives throughout history. In fact, approximately 93% of U.S. midwives have used castor oil for labor induction. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider before using castor oil for this purpose, as it can sometimes cause side effects like stomach upset and diarrhea. Castor oil isn't just useful for denture cleaning or labor induction. It also has immune-boosting properties. Imagine a natural remedy that can enhance your immune system, helping you fight off infections and diseases. Castor oil does exactly that. It has been scientifically proven to increase white blood cells and stimulate the production of immune cells, providing your body with the tools it needs to combat pathogens effectively. A detailed study has shown that castor oil supports a healthy immune system by promoting the production of lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. In addition, castor oil improves blood circulation, supports the health of the thymus gland, and aids in lymphatic drainage. This means that it can help detoxify your body, support cardiovascular health, and even address digestive issues. Plus, castor oil is easily absorbed by the body, making it a simple and effective addition to any health routine. To maximize the benefits of castor oil, it's essential to choose a high-quality product. Look for oils that are certified organic to ensure they are produced without harmful chemicals or pesticides. It's also important to check the label to make sure the product contains 100% castor oil, as some brands may dilute their oil with cheaper alternatives. The method used to extract castor oil significantly affects its quality. Cold-pressed castor oil is generally considered superior to solvent-extracted varieties, as it retains more of the oil's beneficial properties. To ensure you're purchasing a high-quality product, it's a good idea to read customer reviews. Look for products with high ratings and positive feedback, which can provide valuable insights into their effectiveness. While castor oil is a potent natural remedy for various health issues, using it in excessive amounts can lead to unpleasant side effects. It's crucial to find the right dosage to reap the benefits without causing harm. For constipation relief, the typical recommended dosage is 1 to 4 tablespoons taken orally. However, for other uses, such as skin or hair care, castor oil is usually applied externally. Always adhere to the recommended guidelines for dosage, and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns about using castor oil. It's important to talk to a healthcare provider before using castor oil, as they can help you determine the right dosage for your specific needs and guide you on safe usage. While castor oil can be beneficial, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and interactions. Like any substance, castor oil can cause side effects. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, and abdominal pain. In rare instances, castor oil may trigger an allergic reaction, which could lead to symptoms such as a rash, itching, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these severe side effects, seek medical attention immediately. Castor oil can also interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, and may exacerbate underlying conditions like kidney or liver disease. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution with castor oil, as its effects on the fetus or baby are not well understood. Additionally, castor oil might cause skin irritation or hair problems. In rare cases, it can lead to a condition called acute hair felting, where the hair becomes hard, twisted, and matted. Overdosing on castor oil can have serious consequences, including severe abdominal cramps, chest pain, and shortness of breath. To avoid these risks, always use castor oil responsibly and follow the guidance of a healthcare professional. Common mistakes to avoid. To make sure your experience with castor oil is both effective and safe, try to avoid these common mistakes. Using too much on your skin. Although castor oil is known for its moisturizing properties, applying too much on your face or skin can clog pores and cause breakouts, especially if you have oily skin. Use castor oil sparingly and keep an eye on how your skin responds. Skipping a patch test. Before using castor oil regularly on your skin, perform a patch test to check for any adverse reactions. Some people may be sensitive to castor oil, so it's important to ensure it suits your skin. Ignoring product quality. The safety and effectiveness of castor oil greatly depend on its quality. Always choose high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil from reputable brands that are free from contaminants to maximize its benefits. Using castor oil with dandruff. Contrary to popular belief, castor oil might worsen dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis because the fungus that causes dandruff can feed on the oil's lipids. Use castor oil cautiously on your hair and consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Not considering your skin type. Castor oil has astringent properties that can irritate dry or sensitive skin, potentially leading to dryness, irritation, or even hair loss. Always perform a skin test on a small patch to determine if castor oil is suitable for you. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.